If you had to start today with 0 subscribers and no gear, would you know exactly what to do? I'll show you 3 steps now that take you from nothing to a channel that grows and earns. Before we start, hit like now. It helps other creators find this video and join our learning community. Here's the 3-level framework I'd follow, starting completely from scratch today. Level 1 is called Get Going. The first 3 videos are warm up. Don't overthink your niche, just start. Don't wait for perfect lighting or gear. Record even with your phone and upload without delay or fear. These first videos are like first dates. You're learning and experimenting freely. You might be terrible at first, but that's perfectly normal for creators. Skill comes from doing, not planning. Tip: use Canva for quick channel art so it feels professional early. After these 3 videos, ask yourself, do I want casual posting or serious weekly creation with consistency? Casual means posting when inspired only. Serious means scheduled discipline every week. You won't stumble into growth without a plan that you follow. Level 2 is Get Good Enough. Make the next 7 videos focused on improving skills. Titles, thumbnails, storytelling, editing, delivery, and basic analytics review. At this stage, pick topics you love or can explain naturally without a script for several minutes straight. Review books, share tools, or hobbies. Tip: aim to be clearer and more engaging in each new upload. Think of this like serious dating. You're building real connection with viewers. After levels 1 and 2, you've made 10 videos and faced doubt, criticism, and maybe slow results too. That's all normal for creators growing. Level 3 is called Get Smart. Now treat YouTube as a business. 3 things matter most to grow. 1. Clickable titles and thumbnails that earn instant clicks, without misleading viewers. 2. Watch time. Keep people watching with value and smooth pacing always. 3. Satisfaction. Leave them feeling it was worth the minutes they spent. Tip: test every title by asking, would I click this right now? If not, rewrite until irresistible. Now, to find your niche very clearly, it's your target plus consistent value. Target is who you serve online. Value is the problem solved or the feeling you always deliver reliably. Tip: don't chase profit alone. Choose something you can discuss for years without losing energy or authenticity. Crowded platforms require a unique edge, deeper research, better storytelling, or honesty. Study the market and your audience. Know what works and what you can. Refresh with your own voice. YouTube takes time, especially if you work or have other responsibilities too. That's where systems protect you from burnout and wasted effort in creation. Systems help film, edit, publish in repeatable, predictable, and scalable ways. Mini challenge: outline your process and make it a repeatable weekly habit. Commit to 1 video per week for several consistent months without quitting. Review analytics, improve thumbnails, and keep learning, testing, and experimenting with ideas. If you found value here, hit like and comment below, sharing which level you're in right now today. I read every single comment personally. Your next 10 videos could completely change your entire content creation journey. So, start recording something right now.